Hello everyone, we are here for a debate. My name is Harsh Rasta.
And my name is Anubhuti Srivastava.
I'm a law student.
And I'm a CLAT aspirant.
As we are here for the debate that whether the death punishment should be given in our country or not. Well, I would like to state my argument in three folds, which is you can't take it back if you will give the death punishment. It doesn't deter the criminals, and the third part is the death penalty is disappearing from the countries nowadays, whereas my co-friend will tell you about that it should be given because of some reasons which she will provide. Well, I will start my argument with saying that an eye for an eye will make blind the whole world. That is why the most important thing comes into our mind, that why death penalty should not be given. It is the most technical reason that an eye for an eye can make the whole world blind one day. That is why the death penalty should not be given to the person, as we are in the era of 21st century, where we can go for the reformative theory or some other different theories for the betterment of the country and for the betterment for the punishment. Whereas now I would like to say my co-friend to state his own arguments.
So according to him said that an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. But I want to say, if someone takes away your eye and you take away his eye, and then he's determined to take your other family's eyes too, then what you'll do? What is better, killing him or just sitting there and doing nothing? In this case, the same matter is here. Suppose someone murders someone else and he is given a punishment for some time, and then he comes back and murders someone else. So this is not a proper philosophical, this statement cannot be justified that only by this theory that an eye for eye will make the whole world blind. We cannot presume that death penalty is not right. Is right.
Well, my friend, what if you could say on that you can't take it back? That's the most important thing in a death penalty, that you cannot take it back.
Why would I want to take it back? Death penalty is given in the rarest of the rarest case, and if the evidence are complete and it is confirmed that he has done this crime, only in that case such a punishment is given.
How would you say that a judgment is definite or decided that it will not change in future? There are several Supreme Court cases that have changed from the time to time. They have changed very much in a different manner. Even if we conclude that D.Y. Chandrachud father, L.Y. Chandrachud, has said some judgment and it was his own son who said that that judgment was not correct. So what in that case can you make the person back again?
So what I am saying is that means everything is done with proper, means सब कुछ एकदम अच्छे से किया जाता है. It is not that weak evidences and everything else. सारी मतलब conditions fulfill होती हैं तभी एक means केस को मर्डर डेथ की पेनल्टी देते हैं एक इंसान को. ऐसे नहीं कि कोई छोटा सा भी एविडेंस मिल गया. मीन्स एक बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट तरीका होता है. 15 years के बाद तो किसी को डेथ पेनल्टी मिली है इंडिया में. बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, बहुत रेयर टू रेयर केस में होता है. सो वी कैन नॉट से कि मीन्स हम लोग को उस पर थिंकिंग करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी जब तक बिल्कुल श्योर ना हो. इन दिस केस ओनली, निर्भया केस ओनली, द होल नेशन वांटेड द रेपिस्ट टू बी हैंग टू डेथ.
Yes, that's right, that people wanted to hang them death. But that's not the requirement. The requirement is, can they be changed? Why not? They cannot be changed if we consider the concept of reformative theory. The concept of reformative theory is for the purpose in the new century, in the new era, to make reforms in the people, to make changes in people. That is why it is important. That the statement which I said before, that eye for an eye can make the world blind one day. That is important, because if we will start killing all those criminals, that will make us very easy to conclude that yes, he's a criminal, then he should be hanged. And if you're saying this by yourself, that the death penalties are disappearing, that they are very little, that they are very less in our country, then why it should not be changed? Why it should not be end up by making it the death penalty should be changed? Why it not be changed?
Reforms are brought to people, not monsters. In the cases in which death penalty are given, they are very, very worse cases, and the victims suffer too much. Along with the victims, the family also suffer. In cases which we have seen, Ranga and other cases, the family of the victims have to suffer the most, and they deserve justice, and justice should be given to them.
By the word means justice doesn't mean that you should hang someone. The justice will also be provided if they will be sent for jails for their life imprisonment. Why to hang them? Who gave you the authority to hang someone? Who gave you the authority to kill someone?
To make our society better, we will do whatever it takes. And hanging someone is not taking away means it is not something like you are doing wrong, because they have already done something inhuman. That is why they are given punishment. You cannot and even though they are given death penalties, there are mercy petitions, they can file mercy petitions, and there are other means. It takes very long time for a case to be determined as it is given death penalty or not.
Then even they get changes. Then even in the future they can change that. There might be a reason which comes before the court, and it may be said that it was wrong, which was said by us, that the death penalty given in this particular case was wrong. As there's example of a US case, it was given by the Supreme Court of Texas, that a death penalty was provided to a person, but after his death, it came to know that it was not the person and the evidences were weak, it was not that good to make him hang. But what we could do for it, we cannot make that person come back again.
So here we are talking about इन मीन्स यहाँ इंडिया के लॉ के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मीन्स हम लोग को वो चाहिए रहते हैं, एविडेंसेस चाहिए रहते हैं, एंड द थियोरी ऑफ taking an eye away from an eye will make the whole world blind is not applicable everywhere. You cannot apply that theory everywhere, because you suppose कि आप किसी ने किसी को इनह्यूमन तरीके से मर्डर किया है, समथिंग एल्स कोई असॉल्टमेंट की है, तो फिर हाउ डू यू expect him to change?
There are lots of situations that which get changes in a person, that can make changes in people.
You think a jail, which is like a hell in India, especially jails are very worse condition, and you expect him to change.
There are several jails which are made for the reformative purpose. There's a jail in the district of Chandauli in the area. It is being made. It was the first jail which was made for the reformative changes. It was the first jail which is called the open cell. There is no lockups inside the jail that you will get locked up. You can move, but you will be treated in a different way, so that there could be a change in your life. There could be a change. The punishment is itself enough that he is facing. While if we talk about Nirbhaya case, they faced a jail of at least 8 years. They were in jail for 8 years, and that was enough torture for them. And if they wanted to be punished, they should be punished for more 8
torture,
years.
Why don't we hang them? The suffering will over in a second. Why do you imprison them? Waste money on them.
That's
Monsters
the point,
like them.
miss. That's the point. That an eye for an eye. That's the deterrent theory. This is not the right theory. The right theory is for the reformative. That the reformation should be changed.
Reforms occur in humans, not in people who do inhuman things.
They are also human beings.
Murders.
They are also human beings. They are not from some other planets, miss. They are also.
They are from this planet, but means वो लोग इतने हद तक जा चुके हैं कि their minds cannot be changed. And they would have
for change, miss.
And in every decision you have a means आपके पास 1 second का भले ही time हो, but you can avoid doing something. Killing someone is not a right choice, एंड इंडियन लॉ में जितने भी अभी हम लोग को मिले हुए हैं डेथ पेनाल्टी, जिन भी लोगों को, उनके पास मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा एविडेंस थे और उन्होंने कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा इनह्यूमन किया था, इसलिए मिले थे. एंड अदर इज थिंग आई वांट टू से कि जो डेथ पेनाल्टीज है उनकी वजह से हमारे जो बाकी लोग हैं, मतलब उनमें एक टाइप ऑफ फियर आ जाएगा कि इफ वी कमिट सच अ लेवल ऑफ क्राइम देन इट इज श्योर दैट विल गेट पनिशमेंट. और एक थोड़ा सा डर जरूरी है लोगों के अंदर ताकि वो क्राइम करने से रुके, संभले.
This cannot change the term if we consider that people in Saudi are being thrown rocks if they do something like that. It is a deterrent theory, which is a concept of the deterrent theory. If we will throw rocks on them in between the people will itself become that unhuman, and that is not the right thing.
I never said it is the right thing. We are talking about Indian law.
We are talking about Indian law, but making people hang doesn't mean that you are making some kind of deter in the criminals. It doesn't mean a criminal will always be
Of
criminal.
course it means.
But it will,
consider your school. If you are not given any punishment for doing something wrong, will you stop doing it? अगर आपको punishment ना मिले होमवर्क ना करने के लिए, तो आप अगले दिन से भी नहीं करोगे.
so this is, it doesn't mean that punishment
It's just
should be,
example.
it's the reformative can be used also. There can be a pleas for saying.
Some people don't change.
There are 106 countries which have left giving the death penalty.
Most of them are developed. And
Not-
in India, there are too many cases.